Alright, so you want to open your own Etsy shop, maybe sell digital products, handmade items, or something unique. Good choice, because Etsy is still one of the best platforms to start selling online in 2026. So let's go step by step and set up your shop the right way. First, you need an Etsy account. If you already have one, just log in. If not, create a new account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, click on Sell on Etsy at the top. Then click Open your Etsy shop to begin. Now set your shop preferences. Select your language, country, and currency. Make sure these are correct. Next, pick your shop name. It should be simple, unique, and easy to remember. You can change it later, but try to choose wisely. Now, add your first product. Upload images, write a title, description, and set your price. Set your price, quantity, and variations if needed. Be clear and competitive with your pricing. To get paid, connect your bank account and payment method. Etsy will send your earnings directly there. You'll also need to add billing info for Etsy fees. This includes listing fees and transaction charges. Now customize your shop. Add a logo, banner, and write a short shop description. This builds trust with buyers. Once everything is ready, click Open your shop. And just like that, you're live. Now don't just wait, promote your shop. Share it on social media, create content, and start driving traffic. So yeah, that's how you open an Etsy shop in 2026. It might feel like a lot at first, but once it's set up, you're ready to start selling. Just stay consistent and keep improving your listings.